हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की हमारी बुक का नाम है नॉइजी ट्रक, माय फर्स्ट टच एंड फील साउंड बुक। नॉइजी ट्रक्स, प्रेस द बम्पी ग्रिल। कैन यू hear this sound? This is a monster truck. A monster truck has giant wheels. The trucks can race each other and drive over small cars, crushing them. Monster truck can perform spins and tricks. Can you make a crashing sound like a monster truck? Press the knobby wheels. This is a fire engine. A fire engine has a loud siren, ladder to climb, and hoses that spray waters. Can you make a sound like a fire engine? Press the red shiny light. This is a cement mixer truck. A cement mixer truck makes cement on the way to the building site. It has a giant spinning drum. Can you rumble and tumble like a cement mixer? Press the rough drum. Hope you are enjoying the sound of vehicles. Look at all the noisy trucks. Which is your favorite? Press the button to hear all the noisy trucks again. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.